Alright guys, my name's Ken and I'm showing you my 2012 Triumph Daytona 675R. Love the bike. I haven't done a ton of upgrades yet, but I have done a couple and I'll run over those with you real quick. I guess the first is the frame sliders. It's the first time I've seen these. They're from T-Rex. And there's a little logo, see if it'll focus in there. But T-Rex is a company. They have 675R on them, and they're nice and they're big. They flow with the bike. And then of course I did the deletes on the rear pegs. Nice little Triumph thing there. Today just finished exhaust. Put a Danmoto dual carbon exhaust on, and I'll crank it up for you a minute and let you hear it. Looks pretty good, sounds great. Noticed the power gain, pretty substantial, at least more than I thought. Melody parts, that's where I've got my fender eliminator kit from. It's nice as well. It's got 675R on it. Going to be doing away with these lights on the side soon and doing an integrated tail light with the blinkers. Other than that, no other modifications yet. Quick bike. I love it in the mountains. So easy to turn, to ride. So let me get it cranked up here for a minute. Let you hear it. Get my buddy to start it up for me. Hold that clutch in. Let me start it. Alright, so this is the stock, the Danmoto exhaust. We'll rev it up a little bit, let you hear it. As you can tell, nice deep tone. It's got a nice backfire on it as well. Some nice back pressure and backfiring when you're downshifting or let off the gas. It was an easy install. Anyway, I'll upload this, keep y'all posted on what I do next. See ya.